Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday and I'm excited because it's the first car meet, cars and coffee event since we started quarantine. So I'm taking the 308 and I think it's gonna be great. Many cool cars. My friend Rob, you remember him, he used to have the Ferrari Pista. Now he bought a GT500 Mustang, so everyone's very excited to see his new car. So we're gonna head up there and hopefully see some cool cars today and make sure that everyone is behaving and keeping socially distant. So that's the idea, getting together and enjoying some of our cars and our friends. So see you there.
I get too. Gray on black. Right now.
You remember this job, my latest video, looking great, Louis' car. Oh, it's quite a job. Look at the inside, great interior, those seats.
The interest is the
Hey! Go. All right, we're here with Cruz.
Hey guys.
Cruz is moving away. We have to say that. He's moving to Maryland, right?
Yeah.
When are you moving?
I'm actually going over there tomorrow. So this is my last cars and coffee here in North Carolina. But I mean, I will continue working on myself, and you're gonna go visit sometime. So
We're gonna do a road trip to Maryland to
Yeah.
visit Cruz, but he's gonna still provide videos for GarageBots, right?
yeah, I will.
Come on, man, you got a following.
I try.
All right, my friend. Best of luck.
Thank you, guys.
Godspeed. Take care.